On July 14, 1789, an event of tremendous historical significance unfolded in Paris, the storming of the Bastille. This pivotal moment ignited the flames of discontent and marked a turning point in the French Revolution, a period of profound societal and political transformation. The Bastille, a medieval fortress and prison, stood as a symbol of royal authority and oppression. Its intimidating presence represented the grievances of the French people, who were burdened by social inequality, economic hardship, and a lack of political representation. Driven by a shared desire for change and inspired by the principles of liberty, equality, and fraternity, thousands of Parisians rallied together on that fateful day. They were fueled by a growing discontent with the monarchy's excesses and a yearning for a fairer society. As the crowd converged upon the Bastille, tensions reached a boiling point. The revolutionaries, armed with determination and makeshift weapons, faced the might of the fortress's defenses. What began as a protest transformed into a fierce struggle for liberation. The battle raged on, with the revolutionaries valiantly pushing forward, driven by their unwavering belief in a brighter future. The Bastille's defenders fought back, their resolve tested as they faced an overwhelming force of determined revolutionaries. After hours of intense fighting, the revolutionaries achieved a breakthrough. They breached the fortress's defenses, and the triumphant cry of victory reverberated through the air. The Bastille had fallen. The fall of the Bastille was a symbolically powerful moment that resonated throughout France. It served as a catalyst, intensifying the revolutionary fervor and propelling the country into a new era of profound social and political change. The storming of the Bastille became a touchstone for the French Revolution, signifying the overthrow of absolute monarchy and the birth of a new era of popular sovereignty. It marked the beginning of a transformative journey towards liberty, equality, and the establishment of a democratic republic. To this day, the storming of the Bastille is commemorated annually in France on Bastille Day, a celebration of the country's commitment to freedom, unity, and the ideals of the French Revolution. It stands as a reminder of the power of collective action and the enduring quest for a more just society. The legacy of the storming of the Bastille endures, resonating in the hearts and minds of people around the world. It serves as a powerful reminder that the struggle for freedom and social justice is a continuous journey, fueled by the courage and determination of those who dare to challenge the status quo. Subscribe to my channel if you like these historical videos and click on the top left box for the story of the flight from revolution.